I do not got Woody Woodpecker yet, but I'm going to attempt to make a funny video. Guess who? Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sirree, that's me, that's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be. I chop a hole in every tree. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. So I'm crazy. What could I do? So are you. Oh, I gotta look for a bird. Hee. Oh, it's a bird. It's a woodpecker. Hee. Huh? Oh! Oh! Whew. You missed me. Whee! Oh, that stupid little woodpecker. Did I get him? No, he pecked the limb. Woody Woodpecker was here. And in a boo-boo. Oh, stupid little bird. I'm gonna have to get the little bird. Yeah, you see the woods behind me, right? Yeah! Shh! The stupid little woodpecker's gonna get it. Shh, don't tell him. Hee. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sir, that's me, that's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be. I chop a hole in every tree. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. So I'm crazy. What could I do? So are you. I guess I will just sit down and take a nap. Ugh. I'm gonna have woodpecker for dinner. Any last words, you little woodpecker? Yes, I got one. Snooze, you lose. Mario. I guess I'll sit on this nice little rock. That's Mario! Wah. Mario, what are you doing sitting there? I'm depressed, Luigi. Why are you depressed? I can't get this little woodpecker. Woodpecker, eh? I can get him. Ya cha 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 cha, ya cha 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 cha, ya cha 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 cha. Man, I am hungry. I gotta eat some food. Where can I find some food? Hey, there's little houses. One looks like a barn over there. They're pretty old. They probably have stored food. Nah. You know what this means, right? Oh! Why'd you hurt my brother? I didn't. He tried to hurt me. What do you mean? He kept trying to kill me and everything. Yeah, right. Like my brother would do that. Oh, yeah? You want me to prove it? A shotgun? a knife, a machete, and a saw, and a tuna sandwich. What about you? Ow! Food, food, and a bird's feather. It's my lucky feather. Yeah! You little moron, trying to hurt my species. Take that, or you will pay. Why? Why would you do that? You're going to do some chores, little dumb bird. Am I a bird?